Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, collectors of all ages. Back with another video for you. This time we're going to do a box break of the Topps Stadium Club 2020. Very excited about this one. Didn't think I was going to be able to get a second hobby box so soon, but we did. Stopped by a local LCS earlier today and they had one in hand, so I went ahead and copped it. So very excited to have this product again. Looking for more cards in the set that I don't already own. Trying to finish that up, and then looking to see what kind of nice autographs we have on hand. Maybe some nice parallels, and see who we can get on a Chrome card. So without any further ado, go ahead and crack this open. And I'm gonna pull that off to the side, and then I'm just gonna pull these packs out and then put the box off to the side. And I'll put the packs back in view so you can see, open those. So, put those there, there, there. And just give me a second so I close this box up. Put that off to the side. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm very excited to be opening these again. This is my favorite product of the 2020 season, so I'm very happy to have this box tonight. Jose Ramirez. Nice Mike Clevenger. Trent Grisham rookie. He kind of made waves this season, this shortened season. Max Kepler. Jake Fraley rookie card. Alright, so we got another Jorge Posada. Red parallel, so I'm just gonna put that one off to the side there. Nice JT Realmuto. Should probably put my rookies off to the side too, but we'll do that later. And nice Shelton Muse rookie. Alright, so we got Suarez. Another Tim Anderson. I only say another because that's what I got him. I got him in my first box too. Stumont rookie. Matthew Boyd. Adalberto Mondesi. David Wright power card. Very nice. Nice Johnny Bench right there. It almost looks like a portrait. It doesn't even look like a real photo. Looks like it was painted on. And then a nice Eloy behind him. So, who we got here? Mr. Cubby, Ernie Banks himself. John Means. My first Trout. Nice Mike Trout there. Put Mike to the side for a second. Josh Rojas, rookie. Alright, so our first auto is Anthony K, rookie. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I'll go ahead and put Mr. Anthony K off to the side. And then we got a red border Alizé. And a nice Yordan rookie card. So I guess we'll put him off to the side as well. So I'll go ahead and have to put those in top loaders. So that was quick, getting the first auto already. James Marvel rookie. Yasiel Puig. I just bought Justice Sheffield single off of Joe the other day. It's how it happens, isn't it? You buy a single and then you open a box and there we go. Another rookie Uquide signature. So that's it. Pop their 2 signatures right from the get-go. And red border, or I don't know, not red border, but red parallel. And a Barry, and the cool Keston Hiura. Alright, so you guys can like, subscribe, and sign off after that one, I guess. That was really anticlimactic. The 2 signatures are right out of the way, like the first 4 packs. So I got Noah Syndergaard, Blake Snell. Cool looking photo. That's why I like Stadium Club so much. Anthony Rendon. I think the photos are just unique. You know, especially this one, Vladdy. And Yelly is our chrome. Very nice. Rizzo was our chrome in the first box, so nice Yelly chrome. Honus Wagner. This black, yep, Honus Wagner black. Very nice. Lucas Giolito, Mr. No-Hitter. And Bubba Starling, very cool, full extension. Actually captured the ball there. Rookie card. That's great photos. Yeah, I'm very excited about collecting this whole set. I really enjoy the photos. Cards themselves are really nice looking. Alright, so we got the base Giancarlo. And we got the base Juan Soto. I got a short print of him in the first box. Nice Joey Gallo. Brian Anderson. Mark Kahana. We got parallel David Dahl. Yeah, I've been checking. I forget if I think the short print number's on the front. Kyle Schwarber. It's cool with the ivy is the background there. And then Austin Riley. That card felt weird for a second. It feels thicker down in this corner for some reason than the other cards. Alright, so we already got our chrome out of the way. We got both our autos out of the way. I mean, what's left to get here? Corey Kluber. Matt Thaiss. Nice Rod Carew. Base Glaber. Zooks. Rookie. So Jacob deGrom, Emperors of the Zone. Dylan Cease, rookie. That's a cool card. I like that. Getting the Gatorade bath there. And Mr. Trey Mancini. Hope he returns healthy. Kim rookie. Matt Olson. Base Mr. Padre. Lance McCullers. Jacob deGrom. I like that card too. I like that a lot. I got an Albies parallel. The cool card too. Superman. Ketel Marte. And Mingo Libya. And I just smacked Alan Ginter all over the place. Looks like we're like halfway through the box. Looking good. 20. Oh, nice. I don't know if I got an Aaron the last time. So, Ryu. Max Muncy. I'm not even going to comment on him anymore. I'm just tired. Tired of it. So, another nice Austin Nola. Alex Bregman. I think I just got a chrome Alex Bregman from Cheap Card Sales. Joe there. That should be coming soon. Nice Burning Bash. I think I got an Acuna. Maybe. I don't remember. Pile's like right here. I can go through it. Robbie Ray. I like that. And a nice Aaron Judge. My boy. Too bad he can't stay healthy. It's a crying shame. Dude should be hitting 40 bombs every year in 150 games. Aaron Savali, rookie. David Ortiz. Just out of 2 hobby boxes, I kind of feel like I got a lot of duplication already, even with the parallels. Walker Buehler hitting. That's cool. I always like seeing photos with pictures in the batter's box. I have a crazy Jim Abbott one when he's up at the plate. That is a nice Kerry Wood card. I like that a lot. Mr. 20 strikeouts. So we got another Glaber parallel. This time the back black. Cal Ripken. I think that's his Lou Gehrig night. My Uncle Jeff played in that game with him, Jeff Manto. He actually played a good, significant part of the year that year. I think he hit 17 bombs for O's that season. Nice Chipper Jones. So Zach Gallen, really good year this year. Eduardo Escobar. Gio. Jake Rogers rookie. Is this Yaz? Nope. Ted Williams. I don't think I got a Teddy last time. Alright, so I got a Yasiel Puig parallel. Oh, here's the short print. 25. So it is on the back. I wonder if you only get one, I think. So I'll put that off to the side. Mookie Betts variation. Is that like the McCutcheon card? Is that going for anything now? Nice Chipper Jones with the glasses up. I'll have to double check on that Mookie. Is that the only base? I don't even know if that's a variation. It might not be. It might just be the base. Crazy photo though. Speaking of Kutch, there he is. Sandy Koufax. That's the other one I was thinking of. We have Koufax in the batter's box. Brian Reynolds. Nolan Arenado. Looks like he just got the Gatorade bath. Gratterall, rookie. Dude getting a lot of nice rookies out of here. Chris Paddock. He had a terrible year this year. Hope he bounces back next year. Hunter Harvey, very nice. He didn't do very well either. There's Mr. Bringer Rain. Talked about him earlier. Alright, so we're down to the last 4 packs. All the big hitters are out of the way, so this is just pomp and circumstance right now. So Felix Hernandez, Miguel Sano, Will Clark, Nick Senzel with the sleeves off. All right. Yelich base variant this time. Not even a variant. So we got an Anthony K signature, and then we got an Anthony K parallel. All right. And Rizzo, I got him as the chrome variant last box, and then Willie Castro. So tired glass now until he decimated and shut down my Yankees. He doesn't do anything else during the regular season or any other season, but when it comes against the Yankees, throwing 1 and 2 hitters. Robbie Cano, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., very cool card. I got a dupe though. Dubon rookie, nice. Charlie Blackmon, full extension. Is that a Ricky Turn and Burn or Bash and Burn? Turn and Burn, man. Very nice. Oh, there's Yaz. So we got the Yaz and we got the Ted Williams in this box. And Kyle Hendricks. Alright. 1 being ripped and 1 to go. There's the Ryan Sandberg I missed out on yesterday or the day before, so that's good. No more. Luis Robert. So 2 boxes, 2 Louis Robert rookies. Alright. Patrick Sandoval. And, oh, nice Hideki Matsui. Got that t-shirt. Got that hat. It's the last time I had anything to get worked up about being a Yankee fan. Yeah, Luis Robert, I'm not excited about anymore. It's honestly, every single product I've pulled, anything I've come home with, there's been his card in it. I mean, I have them in every variation from every brand. Nick Solak. Like, I just have a stack of top loaders with him, just a complete stack. All right, In the Wings. Okay. Oh, I can't remember if I got it In the Wings card in the last box. I'll have to look at it. Abraham Toro. He's supposed to be the next thing for them. And then Ryan Sandberg. All right. Thanks for sticking with me, folks, even though we definitely cracked the case packs ago with all our autos being right from the get-go. So I appreciate you guys sticking through, watching to the end if you did. Now Pujols, Yamaguchi rookie, Hunter Dozier, still one of my favorite photos too. This, I like this one too, Michael Brandt. These photos are just amazing. Very, very cool. Whoa, Mike Schmidt. I haven't seen this card yet. With the beard, the bushy hair. Wow. Very, very nice. All right, so Chris Bryant, power, more like power outage. I mean, that guy seems done to me. Soler, terrible year this year. And then last but not least, Mr. Seth Brown. All right, so there were parallels. Here's ended up being our heavy hitters here. So we got the Luis, Mr. Yasiel Puig of 3 of 25. I mean, I wish it was somebody better, but it is what it is. So our nice Christian Yelich chrome variation. So gotta get top loaders for these guys. So then our second auto was Jose Urquidy. That's nice. And then Mr. Anthony K for our second. And got Mr. Michael Trout. And then our Jordan rookie card. All right, that's it for this one. Went long enough, 20 minutes. Hope you, oh, I almost forgot. That's top loader. So we got Mr. Lincecum the last time. And we got, oh, hello. And Mr. Ronald this time. So, very nice. Alright, I almost forgot. It was underneath the open packs here. Glad it didn't. Glad you guys get to see it. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. I'm very thankful for you guys if you stayed all the way through. Have yourselves a good night. Be kind, be safe, and we'll talk to you on the next video, which should be the 1998 Series 1 and Series 2 Bowman box breaks for the hobby boxes. Alright, have a good night, everybody. Bye.